There you go. What's up, guys? Crack-a-lacking to another episode of Weekly Close with T-Square in the house. Let's freaking go. You guys not excited, or are you excited? JG, what's crack-a-lacking? Did you see the new intro? I don't know if you've seen it yet since we created it. What's up? JG, we're making an appearance at Rare Evo. Well, I was going to. Trent's going to be there. But just because of my kids' life and super short notice, I wasn't able to make it. John Crow, what is up? Can you look at Crow? Thanks, John. You see it smashing? John, you didn't respond to my second message. I want you to come on sometime next week. Let's freaking get you on, man. JG, I'm so excited to see you, man. It's been a minute and a half. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Did you guys see that Hedera was added to Robinhood? I mean, let's freaking go on there. Pulling up my charts right now. Oop. On some sort of stock thing. Give me a second. What fan just died? Oh, my cold fan died. Dang, nabbit. Man, like still NAC feels so good. What am I doing? Screen on. There we go. We're on this weird stock. We're gonna go to Bitcoin. Before we get started, guys, please smash that golden like button. Not down, no, but because we are growing and we're doing so much awesome stuff. Thank you, guys. We have the subscribe bell. Hit the subscribe bell a couple different times. You guys, check it out in the corners. Let's freaking go, dude. I'm stoked about everything that we got going on today. It's been a good week. Or these last couple days have been really spicy. The data's looking good. PWC, BTC hit $1,000. GIG. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, today on the Brew Crew, I have a watermelon lemonade again. It is delicious, guys. It is out of Portland, Oregon, 503. I'm gonna give them a big old shout out because they have good stuff like ASMR Pop, GIG, JG, and John. Got all my G's and J's right off the bat. All right. My mouse is dying, so I had to charge it in. So I have like this cable attached to it. Oh, it's throwing me off, dude. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not used to having a mouse connected trying to charge. It feels really weird. All right. Is this music too loud to you guys? It might be kind of too loud. I can't tell. I could change it to something else too. This one. All right, guys. What we got going on in the daily? We got 8 minutes till we close. Daily's having a nice strong move to the upside, which is a good day to have it on. I mean, come on, of all days to have it. Let's get it on the week again on the weekly close. So we have a green dot to the upside on the daily. 12-hour with an anchor trigger wave, which is nice to see them play out in the right direction. VWAP shooting up strongly. DBSI is a 13, which is great sign of a movement to the upside. We went from a 15, 16, 17, so they're saying this should be continuation, which is really great considering that we wicked off that 50-day at 114 and filled our CME gap, guys. Daily looks good. 2-day. It's looking more promising. Valia. I think I said that right. Valia. Tornado in the USA? Not where I'm at, man. We don't get tornadoes where I'm at. I don't think we've ever had one in Washington State. It's a good state to live. It's nice and safe for that reason. You have tornadoes? I know we do get them, but not here where I'm currently at. The 2-day looks like it might be rolling over if we keep keeping this up towards action. Is the 2-day close today? 2-day does close today. We'll see what happens, man. We'll check out the 1-day, 2-day, weekly. 3 days looking like it wants to roll over. The weekly still looking promising. The 8-day still looking promising. The 2-week still shows momentum to the upside, and the monthly still looking good. Now let's swing over to ETH real quick. We're just going to jump through a couple of the blue chips before we wash our weekly close out. All right. I got to close some of the data out. I see all these lines coming up. 12 hours showed the green dot movement to the upside, and it has been pumping. Ethereum's at 3,840 right now, current time. We bounced off the 21 and we continued up, which let's freaking go. The daily showing movement. Also, the daily might roll a green dot, which would be really bullish. We'll be up to that 4,200 level we were just talking about. Keep up the good work. Props. Thank you, sir. Or, ma'am. I don't know if you're a girl or a guy. Valia. Is that a female name? We don't get a lot of females on you if you are a female. If not, then it's actually a cool. It sounds very what's the word? Like Valkyrie-ish. I like it. Is that where it's from? Is it from Valkyria? Valia Arilov. I told I'm saying that wrong. I'm sorry. It does sound Russian to me too. Weird. We have momentum wave down to the downside, but we've been pumping. That's bizarre. Must be something to do with the dominance. Oh, I gotta get the fan over a little more. Ooh, it's warm in here. It's warm in here. I was hoping to have my neck fan. It's bizarre, man. East looks like it should be rolling over, but it is not. It is not. 5 day. Are we quad topping? Is Ethereum going to quad top? I don't think so, guys. I'm hoping we can break through it, dude. Let's freaking go. Dude, Hex, man. Hex is up 28%. GIG, you're probably up right now, and Bear with Hex is pumping. Am I right or am I wrong? And weekly still shows good, upward more action. 2 weeks still has open doors on the momentum waves. Just open. And we have an anchor trigger wave on the monthly for Ethereum. Ethereum is going to be rock and rolling. So swing over to Solana. Solana is just about to form a good green dot on the monthly. Freaking yes. Trigger wave to the upside. Let's freaking go. 5 day. 5 days looking good still. 3 days looking a little roundish top, but it hasn't quite closed yet negative. 4 minutes left till we get a close. The weekly 2 day looks like it had a good little fake out. It's going to continue upwards action. Data looks like it's just getting ready to go. What? So you think this week will bring Crypto Wednesday FOMO meeting, dude? You know what's really interesting about Wednesdays? That's actually the day. Believe it or not, we've gotten new all-time highs with BTC. So you know it could be good data, dude. Honestly, it could be good data. I wouldn't be surprised to see it. Hopefully we get our rates cuts. We already know the numbers are manipulated pretty hard, and Jerome Powell has been bearish pretty hard this last week at the Fed. So maybe he is inclined to show better data or show some sort of inclination of rate cuts. You know, honestly though, you want my honest opinion? I don't think we'll get cuts until September. That's my honest vibes I'm getting. But you never know, man. You never freaking know. Okay, what do we got, dude? What do we got? Wednesday, huh? Well, let's project out, dude. So we got the Wednesday. We get this green dot plays out on the daily on Market Cipher. And I say green dot, I'm talking about down here on the momentum wave. Yeah, I think we'll probably have a good Wednesday. We'll be pumping the next couple of days for sure. I think that'll be regardless of whatever meeting we have going on. This CPP, I can't keep up with them all. There's so many CPI, CPP, FOMC. One of those meetings. I think that'll be fine. 3 minutes, 19 seconds. Well, before we go any further, let's check out the top 100. Dude, look at Hex, dude. Hex is pumping. Up 116% for the month. Let's freaking go, Hex. Hex looks like it's hitting this main support line right here. Man, if it breaks above, the next stop could be all-time highs. Or not all-time highs, but all-time highs for the cycle. Cake's been pumping. I read something today with BNB that I knew all-time high. Is that true? Did BNB hit a new all-time high? Where's BNB at? BNB, $841 minus that candle. Listen to that freaking candle. That candle is a scam candle. I'm shocked they haven't deleted that crap of data. Oh, it is a new all-time high, huh? Oh, yeah. BNB's at a new all-time high. Ooh! And there's a green dot on the weekly. BNB is about to go up. No cuts. Then maybe September will be cuts. Yeah, I think it's September, dude. I think September is going to be a strong cut. John, Trump made EU tariff deal. I know, dude. It's huge. Freaking let's go, dude. He's going to get all the deals done. Dominance dumping the last couple of weeks. We got 2 minutes to go, guys. I'm going to get distracted if I look at too much more stuff. Maybe just sit here and watch Bitcoin. Weekly. When did the monthly close? Monthly close in 4 days. Oh my gosh, it's been almost a month already. Oh my goodness. We're gonna sit and watch. And guys, we use high candle sheet candles. I use high candle sheet candles on here. And right now, the average is 117,800. Current price is 119,400. So we know there's a $1,500 difference, and we know that this is going to be a bullish candle. Crow is fire, dude. Crow is so fire, man. I was just talking to one of my buddies today about Crow, and he's never been bullish on Crow. And he finally goes, Tyler, You're freaking right, dude. He's like, I should just DCA in Crow and just not even look. I was like, dude, I'm telling you, Crow is the future, man. There's so much good stuff coming with Crow. The banking's coming. You got the credit card. You got the debit card. Stocks are here in my state. I could go buy stocks with the Crow rewards. You got the good yields. You got the benefits. You got Crow IPOs. That's another ginormous thing, dude. I'm totally bullish on Crow, dude. Frick yeah, Crow. Even Crow doesn't IPO, I'm still so bullish on Crow. Crow is fire. Fire. I've never actually heard of things being developed on the blockchain, and yet they're consistently coming out with, besides Roaring Lions, they're always coming out with data and not Roaring Lions, yes, but the chain itself is competitive. It stays competitive. It says, dude, we ain't out of this race yet, dude. He's like, we're going to throw money at it. We're going to develop it. We're going to keep this train relevant. I think it's going to be huge, man. I think a lot of people are going to start developing Crow in the future. It's going anywhere. We got 20 seconds left till we get a weekly candle close. I'll try to stretch this out so you guys can see a little bit better, more clearly. We're going to be paying attention to this momentum wave. So when we know what's going to happen is that this candle will probably tick like right here. And it's a sign of a continuation of a leg, which is what we want to see. And then this white momentum wave, where it's actually going to separate more, show that we're continuing up. All right, it's closing right now. All right, come on. And now DBSI also said 6. We had a 6 saying that it was going to print another green candle. It's saying that it had control over the bears, just slightly with the 2. But I'm going to guess that's probably going to jump to like a 10 now because of our increase in price. His last day. Come on, show us the data. Come on, pop. There we go. All right, that's just what I was thinking. See, that's what's kind of nice about using Market Cipher, guys. You can actually foresee what the data's coming. Though actually, White Wave concluded a little bit more than I expected. That's really interesting. But it was looking bullish, man. It's looking like we want the leg back up. Boom, leg up to continuation to. I don't know. I'm just gonna extend this leg. Whatever this leg did. This leg went from 82 to 100. I don't know. I'm thinking that we're going to land someplace around 140. I think that's realistic. And I think that'd be a great sign to see. So if we do one leg up and we shoot up there in one leg, I don't know, man. Maybe we'll have some more room to go. Sorry, guys. I told you I was sick on like Wednesday or Thursday. Clean my sinuses out. Oh, man, look at that in Crow. The 12-hour did a fake out, bro. You have to try to do psychological fake out. One sec. I talked to my kiddo. He was over there trying to learn how to play Xbox. He's like a 7-year-old, doesn't know what he's doing yet. Whoa, Crow's pushing the 15-cent mark. Come on, Crow. You got this. You got this, boy. You can do it. I believe in you. Wow, Crow. Defining logic. Crow is on fire. I got to take a look at Zebek. John, we were talking about that the other day. I'm kind of curious. You said you got in. I wonder, are you up right now? 21 made that golden cross in the daily back in July, the end of July. Oh, that was like last week. It wasn't even last week. That was 2 days ago. I'm like last week. How the heck does that even work? Wait a minute. This is the daily. These candles should be the daily. What the hell is going on? Oh, 2025. Frick me, man. I was on the 25th of the month. I was freaking out. I was like, wait, the 25th was 2 days ago. What's going on? Oh, wait, yeah. So, yeah, that was what it was like last week. July 18th, when we first made the golden cross move. 2 day extending, going up. Come on, Crow. Leg up. Let's freaking go. I think the next little pivot spot we'll have is about 16-ish cents. And then I think we're going to jump up to 18, 20 range. It was so close in the 2 day, hitting that mark. Look at that, those legs up, man. On the 3 day, these are the 3 days, guys. So even Crow's been like reacting like bizarrely. People are like, "Oh, it's going back down. It's going back up. It's going back down." Dude, look at the freaking 3 days. They're legging up. 5 day been shooting up too. Wow. Wowzer. Did we make a golden cross? We made a golden cross back here. It's always interesting, guys. We made that golden cross back in June 15th, and it's saying, hey guys, get ready. We're gonna get some upwards price action. If you just hung out right there, you put your long in right there, you'd be up 20, 30, 40% right now. You would have went down, maybe you just had to hang out. VWAP's been trending down, but momentum still going up to the upside on the 3 day. The 5 day still open door. Strength's shooting up. The Stokes are still low. Anchor trigger wave on that. Wow, dude, Crow's going. Dude, we're almost up to the 200. Come on, Crow, hit the 200. 200 moving average. We can break through that when we run. And oh, John, I'm so bullish on Crow. It's making me so happy. Look at the red momentum wave shrinking, money flow and interaction on the markets coming up. We shot through the 365-day moving average. Did we get the green dot on the monthly? Oh, John, we got the green dot on the monthly. We've been watching for this all freaking the last couple of weeks. We haven't quite got it. We have it now. VWAP shooting up. We're about to confirm this green dot in 4 days, John. You know what that means? You know what that means? Multi-month excitement. Multi-month excitement. Let's freaking go. The last time we had that green dot, we went all the way up to 23 cents. And the time before that, I guess we don't have the data, but I'm sure we had a green dot back here. All right, let's go take a look at Zebek. Zebek chain. I guess we should look at ETH, but because John's here and he requested Zebek and he's always here to show love, he gets a little priority. Dude, look at that wick though, John. I mean, freaking played out perfectly. Like, look at that. Came up, shot back down, hit this first level of support just on the monthly. Weekly, we have a green dot now in Zebek, John, which is a good sign. That's the sign of a trend reversal for a movement to the upside. Blessed and highly favored, sir. Blessed and highly favored. 5 day, we have a green dot, pretty close to the zero line. Stokes are still hot, but strength is curling up. VWAP is going up. We are breaking above this triangle that we drew last time. Maybe half a penny is where we're eyeballing right now before it decides to take another breather. Three-day, we're bouncing off local resistance. Money flow's been good though. VWAP's still VWAP's actually not bending down really. It's trading sideways, which is a good sign. Trying to read the data right now. I'm wondering if we'll come back down with a wick and bounce off the 21 and then continue our upward direction, or we're just going to continue up right now. Ah, my mouse, I unplugged it. No, it's okay. I'll plug it back in a little bit. The daily, it's been wanting to roll over like the last 4 days, and it hasn't rolled over. It has strong support. We're about to make a golden cross. We're about to cross the 50. You see the 21? This is the white blue line coming up to the 50 right now. Which that'd be and that's on the daily too, which would be a great sign to see. That would mean that's saying like, hey guys, we're ready to move again. What's 12 hours say? 12 hour across the 50 already. It's really interesting because it's like this momentum wave so hot. I think it's just getting started though. Like, my mind's telling me we could take a breather, but the charts are showing me that the money flow, the red wave, has been shrinking. The money flow has been interacting with the network. People are putting money into Zebek. What's a 6 hour say? 6 hour, dude. This is whack. It shows continuing upside. Wow, look at that. Weird momentum, light blue chart crossover. Well, if we break out right here, where we're currently at, our next leg will be, the next area of support will be 4.8, so it'll be almost like a 15% move up to the upside, and then after that, it's all-time high. That's kind of where we're at, and it looks like we're heading that way with the red wave shrinking. Money flows been coming in on this network. Hey man, you made a good buy in Zebek, John. Looks like it will continue into the upside. You know, you bet on the odds, you'll hit them, man. That's how it is, dude. Like, yeah, the house will win every couple times, but if you bet on the odds, dude, you're doing good. Okay, well, we're gonna go to ETH. Ethereum. Ooh, Nikes, guys. That popped up the shizizzy. We'll have to look up XRP too. Ooh, man, Ethereum, dude, looking great. Oh my goodness. Come on, ETH, keep moving. Look at the money flow coming on the index. I was just reading today, BlackRock bought like $100 million, I think it was, of Ethereum. 12-hour, the daily. Oh gosh, bullish. Look at it come. The momentum wave is coming down, and it's like, maybe we don't come down anymore, guys. We'll have to keep an eye on this tomorrow. Oh my goodness, what's the 6 hour say? 6 hours said it could take a little bit of a break. 4 hours said it could take a little break. I would expect to see like 1-2 red candles come back down to like $100, and then we'll continue up. Daily looking good. 2 days ripping. 2 days showing a new leg, like a full-on new leg coming in. But it's weird because like the red momentum waves, I mean, how they're interacting. It's weird. It's good to see that we don't have how these waves are interacting with each other. There's no bearish divergence. If there was bearish divergence, I'd say, dude, this red dot's probably playing out. But we don't have that. I mean, if we had bearish divergence, like, dude, this red dot is playing out. There's no likelihood. But they're going with each other. I'm just so excited, dude. Val, are you still here? I think your name was Val. I'll have to go back and check. Yeah, I can call you Val. Val, dude, I think we'll leg it up. Do you want to know how I feel this week? I think we're feeling good. I think we're feeling really good. We might get a fake out tomorrow morning, and then have a continuation to the upside. Blessings, TS, T Square, appreciate it. Appreciate you, John. Let's take a look at Crow. Did we look at Crow already? I can't remember. I think we did. 6 hour has 8 hour has a green dot. 6 hour has a green dot. Oh, I should make a call on this on X. I might go do that when we're done. Go jump on X and tell people the freaking Crow might be pumping, guys. Crow might be pumping. Oh gosh, everything looks so good right now. Let's check out Swee. Swee's usually a good leader too. Or was the last pumpity pump market? 4 hours going good. We just made a golden cross in the 4 hour. Money flow's been coming in. 6 hour looks kind of bearish, but not too well. I'll just stretch this out. Still making higher highs. 12 hour shows continuation. VWAP's coming down slightly. The strength's been popping off. They hit the green dot. Let's freaking go. Boom, 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 boom. Candle after candle after candle. We just broke above to the previous top at $4. Oh my gosh. Sweet rip it, dude. We're about to hit $5 level mark. Oh my goodness. Hit the $5 level. 475. Let's go, guys. Oh. Freaking alt season, man. Alt season is the best. Don't you guys love alt season? We haven't even ripped like we're going to. 3 days ultra bullish on SWE. 5 days looking ultra bullish. Weekly is looking ultra bullish. Monthly, I don't even have data for the monthly, but I'm gonna say it's probably looking ultra bullish if I had the data. Do we have any news today? I'm gonna swing over the news unless you guys have anything to look at. I wonder if I have Hex. What's going on with Hex? Does anybody know why Hex is pumping today? GIG still here? Hello, Hexkin. Oh, there's also Turbo too. Show the data for the monthly. We want to break out this local support. We'll head back up to penny 1 cent range. It's in some sort of rising wedge right now. The daily looking like it wants to flip. We had that bearish momentum. It's came down. It's been coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down. Coming down. Now it's starting to get a rounded bottom on this blue, which when we get a zero line, when we get close to that zero line, we get green dots. That's usually when we get our explosive action. Right here, boom, and we ran a. 12-hour. Looks like it's been pumping too. Ooh. Yeah, boy. Get it. Slay. Monday the 14th. That was 14 days ago when it ran up its last time. We have a good little come down. And we're about to run up again. 12-hour looks good. The 6-hour still looks good. 6-hour actually just broke up to 21. Four-hour, it's like it should have been over, but it's not. It's not bending over. The momentum is still continuing. It's like, no, you will not push me out. And the 21's been getting around at bottom. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Yes, we will succeed. I appreciate you. John, you set to retire? You think this bull run? I would love to see you retire. I'd love to see all of us retire, man. I would also love to see us have the financial freedom, even if we don't have enough money to retire, to be able to take control and do what we want to do. You know, like I tell my wife all the time, like if I could, I would quit work. Sure, fine, whatever. But I would do this full time. I would even start like a teaching class. I would love to pay people. Like I've told you this before, John. Like employ people to work for us. I love to teach people about market science. I get TA. I'm really good at building relationships. I'd love to reach out CryptoFace and see if he wanted to do anything like that. Crypto lifer, you know, just get that freedom. You know, I think under Trump, though, at least with the U.S., I think we will get there. I think the whole world's going to change. But I want to see everybody get free. Taylor Gold rides a bullion boom as central bank ETFs rush to accumulate. I don't know. Is gold up? Gold's not running today. What's it running in the pre-market? 334.38. Hey, thanks, John. I appreciate you, brother. I love teaching, man. I've been doing it since I was a kid. I mean, yeah, you could say I was teaching my siblings stuff, you know, we were homeschooled, so I was teaching them, you know, their school when my mom was too busy doing their stuff. And it developed into like, I don't know if you know what Awanas is or not, but we taught at Awanas. I was a teacher at the kids camp, and then just led into life, dude. I keep telling them, make you a trainer at work. I totally would love to do it. Bitcoin nears key resistance zone as traders prepare for larger price swings. I did my first sermon. I don't even know if I told Trent this. I taught my first sermon at church when I was 14. It was awesome. Bitcoin nears key resistance zone as a trader prepared for larger price swings. That's what I wanted to do too, John, for a long time. And God told me that a long time I wanted to do that. And after a long time, I felt like God told me He wanted me to be a sermon pastor, teacher, but not over what I thought He wanted me to do. Like I thought I was over the biblical stuff, but He wanted me to help guide people to make money. He's like, I'm going to bless you. I want you to be able to bless others. So you know, like, hey God, I always go where you want me, man. It's like favor, like you said, the favor is on top of you, dude. Wherever you go, the Lord will guide you. You'll succeed at anything, and I do. I enjoy talking. I enjoy teaching. You know, when I was in a bakery, dude, we did it was like a restaurant bakery, and we had this one guy in there. And this is when I first started learning you can't judge a book by its cover. Because, man, this dude was, I kid you not, he had no hygiene whatsoever. Came in, and he was just super nasty and greasy. And I kind of pushed him to the side, and he was 2-3 times my age. I was like, dude, I can't stand this guy. And one day he showed me something, because I thought I knew it all, because I've been doing it for like a year. And he was only like 3 months, and he showed me how to cut bell peppers differently. And I looked at it like, huh, I never thought about it like that. And since that day, dude, I was like, you always have to keep an open mind to everybody. You can be in there no time at all, and you can still learn something from somebody new with a different perspective. Oh, all right. Bitcoin nears key resistance zone as traders prepare for larger price swings. It is, man. We're at dang near 120. I mean, how much key resistance zone can you get besides that? and the all-time high out today, most of which went directly to exchanges were sold. Galaxy Digital withdrew 1.5 USDT. Divine Research issues unbacked crypto loans using Sam Altman's World ID. Dude, I want nothing to do with scanning my retinas. I'm sorry, dude. I'm like, no, I get it. AI might copy me. I'm not scanning my eyeballs. I'm sorry. San Francisco-based lender Divine Research has issued 30,000 unbacked short-term crypto loans since December. Using OpenAI CEO Sam Altman Iris's scanning platform World ID to verify borrowers. Dude, the Divine offers loans under 1,000K USDC. Stablecoins mainly to overseas borrowers underserved by traditional finance. It uses World ID to ensure users cannot open multiple accounts after defaulting. While loaning to average folks like high school teachers, fruit vendors, basically anyone that has access to the internet can get access to our funds. Divine founder Diego Estevez told the Financial Times that microfinance on steroids. Dude, I'm sorry, dude. I can't believe that they're targeting teachers and fruit vendors to sell the irises. Like, that just sounds effed up, bro. Like, why don't you go after, like, I don't know, other AI people that understand what the hell you're doing, dude? And it's just interest rates range from 20 to 30%, with reported first loan default rate around 40%. High interest rates compensate for these losses. Estevez said adding the free world tokens issuers to borrowers can be partially reclaimed. Here's the fascinating lending against Bitcoin is exactly how stablecoins work. Crypto is collateral for dollar liquidity. JP Morgan validated the entire model. You know what? Maybe we'll watch this, guys. This actually might be kind of interesting. Let's see here. I'll have to pause the music, though. All right. Music is paused. This is what JP Morgan has to say. Wow. You know what? I love it when they try to scam you and they take a screenshot of the video you can't even press play on. What the heck, Cointelegraph? You going to be that lazy to post an article with a screenshot of it, not even be able to play? You dummies. That's just dumb. Dumb. Oh my gosh. Oh, that really peeved me. I'm not gonna lie. That was so dumb. Where's my mouse? Where's the mouse? You still driving, John? You said you had like a 12-hour or 14-hour day today. My gosh. My goodness gracious. I don't think a lot of people care about gold right now. I love gold and silver. I think it's fantastic holding in your hands. John, what did you think about Hulk Hogan passing this week? Was that sad or what? Man, he was my favorite character to play in the N64 wrestling game. He was my favorite wrestler. Super iconic, dude. I'm sure I had several of his dolls growing up. You know, somebody said we ain't getting younger. It's true, man. We don't get younger, but we just live our life for God, man. You know, I remember listening to a testimony of another wrestler in the WWE, and Hulk Hogan was saying that the dude passed away. And Hulk Hogan got a voicemail, and he said he was not saved at this time, that I'm aware of. And he gets this voicemail from this other wrestler, and he goes, "Hey, dude, it's okay, man. I'm dancing with the glory of God. You don't have to worry about me." He's like, "This is awesome." And dude, Hulk Hogan said, like, dude, just hit him, dude. Poof. You know, he felt the presence just come over him, man, in a powerful whiplash, dude, of your life. You know, sometimes the dude, like him or hate him, he was a good guy, man. He made mistakes, but he also owned his mistakes. And I think that's an important thing to take away. And, you know, when it's your time, it's your time. When the Lord calls you home, he calls you home. Dominance has been coming down the 4 hour. It's like on the weekly. The weekly has been really becoming dominance at 61%. We're dang near at 65%, so we've lost 4%. Let's take a look at XRP. Was it XRP and ADA we wanted to look at? Quickly look over ADA and XRP. I'm trying to figure out which one looks better. I feel like ADA is more likely to go up, but it has to break through. Oh, that's the H bar. Yeah, like I was saying, ADA has to break through a support or resistance. Sorry, at a buck. If we could break through a buck, I think we'll head to $1.40, almost pretty quickly, almost immediately. Does H bar look like a Cardano? H bar looks better than Cardano. Sorry, Trent. It doesn't even show its all-time high over here. I know that's all-time high is like around 60-something cents. Wow, that was a good retracement. Buy down there. Green down the monthly. The 2 week is playing out trigger wave. Weekly still says weekly says we're going to break out of this. 5 day still looks like it can break out, or it's breaking up. We're just entering on this little local support. 32-cent range, 3 day. 3 days looking really bullish, really bullish. We didn't break down, didn't make the red dot. It's saying we'll pump. We're continuing out of this local support, dude. We might make a quick flagship at 35 cents, but I think it's gonna be ripping, bro. It is ripping. We have a green dot on the 2 day. 2 day we have a green dot. There you go, Val. Are we gonna be pumping Wednesday? Yes, we will be pumping Wednesday. Let's just freaking go, guys. I'm just excited. We're excited to see what's happening, dude. We're in alt season, man. Make our life be a little easier, dude. My rent, they just told me yesterday my rent's probably gonna go up $200. I'm like, oh, frick, man. I'm just trying to get ahead of it. It's so hard sometimes. But hey, guys, we're gonna wrap it up because what the heck? We got 8 people watching. It's Sunday. We spend the rest of the day with my wife and kids. My little bit of vacation's just about to end. So hey, why not? Appreciate everybody who showed up today. Don't worry, we'll be pumping all week. We're excited. Thank you guys for joining the most hydrated crypto community out there on the interweb. We love you guys. You take care. Have a great rest of your night. We'll be back tomorrow at 7:30 Pacific Northwestern time. God bless each and every one of you. In Jesus' name, amen.